you want to learn how to make a shea butter mix, make sure you watch this video to the very end. So guys, I'm actually going to do it in a very stylish and quite different way. We do it in a form of vlog whereby I took down my old braids. I had to pack my hair, go to the market, so I just did a little bit of vlog of me going to the market. So you will come to the market along with me. Then I bought the shea butter, came home, make my shea butter mix.
guys, I actually got the local shea butter from the market. In my video you see the clip where I bought this shea butter, though I didn't do much video on the market vlog, but I just managed to do one or two things so that this video will be interesting. So this is just the local shea butter they sell in the market. This is like 15 naira. You see 15 naira be 100 naira. Well, this one was supposed to be 12. This is like 15 naira. Like this now is 15 naira. So this is 150. Then I got the ocean black soap that I usually use to wash my hair, and I also use it for bathing. Guys, I love this black soap, really.
So guys, I had to get this shea butter from my local market. So you guys will see the vlog when I went to the market to purchase this. So this, like, in my local currency is like 15 naira. One of it is 15 naira. So the four of them cost me like 200 naira. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber, so that's my currency. You call it naira. We don't deal in dollars. But I'll start dealing in dollars, so just a matter of time. Okay guys, so one thing I would say about this method is you can actually use an electronic whisk. I don't have one at the moment, so that's why I'm using a wooden spatula. So you can actually make this with your wooden spatula. All you have to do is just be consistent with your turning.
is the glow for me, guys. One thing I would like to say is, please make sure you don't add honey to this. The first time I did my own and I added honey to it actually spoiled. It didn't even last 3 days for me. So since I just did this with my shea butter and my olive oil, it's going to last, because these are just natural ingredients from plants. But adding honey is a natural ingredient from an insect, a smaller animal. So I don't think like the two of them will work together. It's just like maybe you doing shea butter mixed with egg. It's not going to last for you to spoil. Adding honey to it to make it spoil, except you're just using it for that day, you get. But for me, I'm keeping this and I don't have a preservative. I don't have vitamin E with me or any other preservative for this. If not, I would have added honey, but I'm okay with this. I'm actually okay with my shea butter and my olive oil mix. So guys, please try this out.
So guys, I had to put my hair on this braid, so I'll be able to wash my hair. Then I'll use my leave-in conditioner. Let's put it in this ice cream container. That's what I could find. So this is the leave-in conditioner. All the things because this is the leave-in conditioner. You see the video where I made it, and this is my hair already in braids. I will wash my hair this way, but I think what I'll do is when I'm washing it, I'll just take down this one, wash it, then put it back, like try to stay in a very stretched form, because when you wash it with that braids, your hair tends to like tie up again, like curl back together, and which leads to hair breakage. That's not what I want. I want to retain my length. So please make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you got value out of this video, and if you were entertained too, whether you got value or you entertained anyone. If you got value, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It helps tell YouTube that, oh, she's really making a nice video, so let them support me in pushing out my videos to other people to see, like a good number of viewers to see my videos. Okay, so apart from giving my video a thumbs up, please, if you are not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button, the red subscribe button. When you hit it, you'll see 3 options. That is to turn on your notification bell, so that whenever I post out a new video, you get to see it. You get to be one of the first persons to see my video. Alright, so I'm so sorry I've really not been consistent with my content postings, but I'm back. So you get to be seeing my content every Friday. Alright, so I'll be putting out videos every Friday by 12 noon. Let's see how it goes. Make sure you check out my other videos. I'll be leaving a link here. I'll be leaving a clip here, then I'll leave the link at the description box on a video of my DIY Hibiscus hairspray, Hibiscus leave-in hairspray. It's quite a nice one. Actually, this is just a plain water. I didn't add anything. I didn't have time to make it. I'm sorry about that, but I already made the video on your leave-in hairspray, so you can check it out. I'll leave the link at the description box. Alright, so check out that video and recommend it to your friends too. It's it's value packed. You're gonna get value. Alright, so see you in my next one. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you watch my other videos, watch this one to the very end, watch it to the very end. Okay, see you in my next one.